Welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. This week filmed live at our favorite barber shop, Leetsdale Barbers, celebrating over 61 years experience on the corner of Holly and Leetsdale. Special thanks to owner James Padilla for allowing us to film in this great setup.
What a great guy and what a great place. So thank you, James.
Yeah. And we also have Ian Jouett here, as you know him, with Louviers Mortgage. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
A lot of viewers are curious, first-time home buyers, about the loan qualification process. How do you get pre-qualified?
Boy, that's a great question. So typically what a loan officer will do is he'll have a conversation with the client and get their desire, their goals. So he'll want to know, what you're comfortable with for mortgage payment, how much money you have for down payment, where do you work, how's your credit. There's a lot of things that he'll quiz you about. And then usually they'll do a 1003 or an application. So either it's online or in person, but they'll gather a bunch of information, go through it, do a credit check, whether it's a soft pull or a hard pull. That'll give us a debt to income ratio. And if there's something we need to work on or a loan officer needs to work on at that point, he can start that process. Then if they have a big down payment, little down payment, they might point them towards a down payment assistance program. But that's where you want to start, is a solid loan application.
So how long does it take about the application process?
Depends on how fast the client wants to move. You can have it done in an hour or a couple days.
Wow.
As fast as they want to move.
Great. And so for clients that maybe are unsure about their loan payment, a lot of people I think can qualify for a lot more than maybe they want to pay monthly.
Agreed.
How does that conversation look?
They have to be comfortable first and foremost with that payment. You might want to qualify them for a $3,000 payment, or they might qualify for a $3,000 payment. They might be comfortable with a $2,000 payment.
Right.
So that's something you really have to get comfortable with, or have the client get comfortable with and let you know.
And those are great tips. So for all of you out there thinking about buying your first home, first of all, the loan application process is fairly seamless and goes very quickly. But then it's also that conversation piece with Ian that will discover what your comfort level is for your monthly payment, even though you may qualify for a lot more than what you want to pay.
Correct.
That's great information. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Again, Ian Jouett, Louviers Mortgage. Their contact information is on the slide to follow. Please be sure to follow our social media feeds, and we will see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.